the best of times, you walk me through my darkest days. Why must I turn around? I ask myself. This just ain't fair, so hard to bear. I'm not really sure these days, You walk me, you talk to me. Hard
Gaeilge Weekly, Agron Iver an Nócha 3, episode number 93, the simpler version, an lagan níos simply conas atá muid galéir. Tásúlagam gohfuil gacrad goma, agus tásúlagam gohfuil an tachtan seo ag dul goma, gohfuil sibh ag buint tathnamh as leighanta sira na Cásca that you're enjoying the Easter holidays, má tá leighanta sira agat an tachtan seo. Agus, gohfuil sibh ag buint tathnamh as an aimsir iontach seo in Éireann. Tá mé arás in Éireann, níl mé is Seville an tachtan seo. I am back in Ireland, I'm not in Seville this week. I always come home for a week i gcónaí Tágam arás fa seachtainna ó bháin in mi Oibreán, seachtain bháin freisin ó thart seachtain bháin, seachtain jet lá, cuaig lá. Is chun a thart seachtain ó bháin around 1 week in mi Bheonfóver in September as well, agus ar nói, of course, seachtain bháin I mi na nulg. Agus dúirt mé, you know what, is Seville bín an áit crackáilte, really, in mi Oibreán ach go chóirithe an tachtan seo, especially on this week. Cin fá mar gheall seachtain na Cásca because of Easter week, no Holy Week, no Semana Santa, mar deirtar sa Spáis. Agus is Seville, tá sé cosúil le lá le póric ach fa seach lá as a chéile. It's like St. Patrick's Day, but for 7 days in a row. Agus tá mise I Machónaí is Seville I lór na Cathrach in the city centre. Díreach in Aca, like ceann na Haglis is tábhachtaí. Madre Semana Santa, right beside one of the biggest or most important churches for Semana Santa, for Holy Week. Agus an méid processions, agus paráidí a bhain sin. Dúirt mé, tá sé cool, má tá tú I do chónaí imol na Cathrach, if you're living on the edge of the city, agus ag teach the teach, beidir fa lá nó go I rith na seachtainna for a week or two, or for a day or two during the week. Ach, má tá tusa I do chónaí an sin, few ag éirí dul go dtí na siopaí. Tá sé deacair, or and even just wanting to go to the shops quickly, it's sometimes tricky and you get caught in processions. Agus dúirt mé, caiith mé éilú as Seville fa seachtain na Cásca for Easter week, so tá mé arás in Éireann an seo fa seachtain bháin. Agus lánsásta a bheith arás, níl an aimsir ró chuna, níl sé comhma, mar a bhí sé, ribh seo as good as it was before this, ach an seo I gcunaí na Gaillimhe, níl sé ró chuna inneo. Déilún an Ceathrú Láideag mi Oibreán Goil's Féicúig on Monday, today, the 14th of April 2025, as I record, agus mise ag tafadú. Something a bit different today. I know we had something different at the weekend as well. Tásagam gra rudéigen bioganín jifriúil agin ag an deir seachtainna, mar bhí an chéad episode de Smaointí Sathairn agin ar an Sathairn go leisce. So we had the first episode of Smaointí Sathairn on Saturday, which if you haven't listened, just go back and listen to it. I won't go explaining what it is now. Nimé hun in Rodella a vínu faoi Dirk Inish, but show completely in English, show long in Merla, in which I suppose I explained a lot of stuff I think that'll hopefully help Pin meg minu a long ruddy to frul ruddy chunna dé caróí na ruddy sin leat hon an Gaeilge a ólam I malach ní simply, malach ní éisce agus malach níos tapúla in a simpler way, an easier way, and hopefully a faster way as well. Ach, in your rolegan bioganin jifrul freshen, today's something a bit different as well. Tommy, hon agron je Desert Island Discs a yenov. So, Nílas agam on my Desert Island Discs Erolas ag dini, ach bonusach is show on BBC. It's a show from the BBC. A hussy capam in Nijeg Carca Shock, on Nijeg Carca Shay, Dirk Thrash, no better a few iri. And there chugged down them, maybe even during the Second World War, kind of ish in a larganish. Ach, bín sé fós siúil inis, níl sagam an mín sé ag dul amach gach seachtain nó gach mí. Ach go bunasach gach agran, and every episode bín óháin, there's one guest. Agus bín who 8 náran of Yoku, they have to pick 8 songs, hon torch lobe go Ilan Straika. So they have to pick 8 songs to bring with them to a desert island. So really, Monroe to an on ach éistecht le 8 now on Arish Ilahale. If you're only able to listen to 8 songs again in your life or for the rest of your life, on chud tell to the hail, what 8 songs would you pick? Céin 8 now on around Nofa. So tá mis hon an rud céine a dhéanamh freisin tá písa eile ag an tíir I gcónaí dearan siad leat, okay, tá muid hon an Biblia ó thuirt we're going to give you the Bible and the entire works of Shakespeare freisin. Agus tá an seans agat leabhar amháin eile a thuirt leat. You can bring one more book with you. Agus comála sin is féidir leat luxury item of fiocu. So an tatan scatcha, mar tá mé gafa leis an geol, I'm obsessed with music, agus éon duine a bhí na géisteacht le ghail go weekly gomininic is tócha go mai é sin aróla sad. I guess you'll probably know that, anybody who listens often. So bhí sé deachar, bhí shortlist agam de hetar sé nó seacht nar an deag. So cúpla honourable mentions dús, cúpla áir an nachrá or nachhfuil agam, the top 8, the Desert Island Discs of Ayagam Mach Biog Mach sin Intimidated, le Kaitranada, maybe le Keshan Can Russell, A Little Less Conversation, le Elvis, ach an JXL Remix, Fascination, le Alphabet, Rock and Roll Kids, le Paul Harrington and Charlie McGettigan, Kefam Shin na Hamnacha, or who I think that's their names. I Used to Love Her, le The Saw Doctors, Dog Days Are Over, le Florence the Machine, no Kepam Florence, Shin an Tanam Atar He Inish, Tashe. Afriha Eki, she's changed her name in recent years. Sometimes the Jerry Cinnamon, Jamie Jones, Kentanam Atá on Aaron Shin, Neil Shakespeare Fishisagam, I haven't written it down. Lose My Mind, le Jamie Jones. This Fisherman Blues, le The Washer Boys, Good Luck, le Basement Jacks, Optimistic, le Brian Power, the Michael Gray remix, Right Here Right Now, le Fatboy Slim, agus Jera na Shatana, leis na Firein. One in Irish there that didn't make us ceanháin in Gaelga an sin nachhfuil tíbhas sé gen lista atá agam agus a bhaid mé ag labhart faoi tíorc inis, not in the list that I'll be talking about right now. So an chéad ára atá Piochlamsa, the first song that I picked, and this was an easy one, this was going to be in there all day. Aon argon tagam lumhain, I didn't have any argument with myself over this one. Agus is dócha le gach ar an tamaihan scale beag, no cóhéics beag. I'm going to give you a bit of a story, no, a bit of a context, I guess, a hort that madtir leis on Rawa, atá Rownie Hagam, in terms of the choice that I've made, or the choice that I've chosen. So, it's equivalent bogu go Barcelona don chéador. I remember moving to Barcelona for the first time in miúil gávíle is fehe. Agus fi cuig vi agam sin chéador I chónaí haar lear ionach arm, leil an ups agus downs ar nóid de chéador I a chónaí in áit difriúil. Ach freisin ionach agus tréimhse ionach really nice time. Ach is cuivan ceans an léanta I mí na nullag, Dúireach rih a tháinig mé ras go héireann don nullag agus bhí mé críicnú a chud ama I Barcelona, is finishing my time in Barcelona. Bhuail mé le car Sasnach agus bhí me deag a theach ag éisteach le buganí ceol agus beidir bhí me ag fáil ré chun dul amach an ihe sin, we're getting ready to go out that night. Agus bhí sé chasú a lán rudí as London, mar is as London agus bín sé ag éisteach buganach le Londoners a bháin, rudí cosú le Skepta agus Jamie agus Grime ach rudí níos chill freisin, agus chuir sé cúpla áir an le Loyal Carner Airshul. So I put on a few songs by Loyal Carner. Agus was equivalent nar tháinig an cean seo Airshul, chuirme ceis there. Agus na dhéanam é seo go minic a antid zafan, cén áir an é seo, cén tanam atá ar an seo, bhí sé dul chreidse. Agus bhí sé this an beidir as gach áir an Piochlamsa an seo, out of everyone that I've picked here, maybe the most emotive an cean is Mochochánaí is dócha, agus is equivalent bhí sé sochtachar hon an tanam a chuimhnú ag an am, agus níor scríomh me sísa, nó ní arna mé Shazam ar an áin app cos le sin, just chuinne mé, tíbhas sé sa mo cheann é, agus an lád ar gion, chuir mé I my playlist ar Spotify, agus is equivalent an lád Zernach, rih a tháinig mé ras an seo go héireann. The last day before I came back here to Ireland, looking out at the city from viewpoint from the bunkers in Barcelona, on the bunkers an sin in Barcelona, ag éisteach leis an áir an seo, agus just like swing, wow, a lehéid cuigmhí a bhí agam. What a 5 months that I had. Seo Asho Lengi le Loyal Carner.
Ones that I brought up never strong, never telling me to run, never trying to find a son, trying to get it done. Yo, I wonder if she'd ever be as clever as her mum. One. Born and raised, made attempts to crawl away, find a way to exist and hide your face, unrelayed, leave everything in yesterday.
Asho Lengi le Loyal Carner, mo humanish goil me an radio. I feel now like I'm on the radio introducing and summing up songs at the end as well. And ish caiimiid dul Jim Newark agus, and I'm sure we have to go on to the news and the weather and everything like that. Agus gakrod mar sin. But no, that's one song. Like a lot of these songs, Casul le Cuid's War, it's in the Harron show. Just a bhíon like Chalk Denise, Arish is Arish is Arish in mail. It comes up again and again and again in my life. Agus gachor go chluisim an taran. Bíonn sé cosúil leis an géad ó a thuúla mé an taran. So, yeah, Asho Lengi le Loyal Carner tá spás le aige I mo chraig an leis agus bai go Joe. It is a particular place or a special place in my heart, and it always will have in the future as well. So, iver though bhí sé actually ag fécinn sin an shortlist an méid ceol a bhí ann Assassinate, the amount of music from England that I had. You know, so even is stocha been made Lart Gomininic an budcréile faoi cheol agus gofuil gá genre a hatníon go mórlam níos mó ná aon cín eile. It's kind of two genres that really appeal to me more than any other ones. Sin is stocha ceol house agus ceol indie rock ach go háirithe indie rock Sassenach agus má smaoineam faoi an dá genre sin. If I think about those two genres, probably the best house music is, for me, Dumsa Arenos on Ceol House is far. Sin Ceol House O'Hasana, house music from England. Agus the DJs intagsúla Jamie Jones, Jamie Jones and Shin, agus Duke Dumont, agus Gorgon City, agus Keen Ella, cosúla Shin, ach Fatboy Slim, mar hampla bhí session on shortlist Covma. Ach freshen Beijing níos mó ná Ceol House, just indie agus indie rock, agus rock generalta. Oasis the Smiths, agus by Oasis ag teacht níos séní, Oasis will be coming later. Ach Oasis the Smiths, Arctic Monkeys, Kasabian, The Strokes, Kinkas the sin, just do chredza, the choral freshen, as Larfol, the choral from Liverpool. Ach beidir an tar an one dumsa cheasan amach, má táid ag labhairt faoi indie agus indie rock go háirithe ón 2000s, especially from the 2000s. Sin an tar an seo bhí mé Congrach le Haran Ella, oh, the Kooks of Yoku, Beidir See the World, no, She Moves in Her Own Way. Axa Jera an Cian Arish a bhín Chalk Denise that comes up. Arish is Arish again and again and again. Emma Hale agus just tá sé có cuaigtach dumsa agus có jarfach, so positive as well. Sin Naive le the Kooks.
And I know she knows that I'm not from the Boston, that you are both separate, she's still up to get me. Just don't let me down. Just don't let me down. Hold on to your kite. Just don't let me down.
Yeah, Naive le the Kooks agus comala sin. She Moves in Her Own Way, like ein or hagan an taran sin siúil Spotify. Bhí sé agsúil, you know, gohfuil an green ag taithnamh is cuma mátá an green ag taithnamh ná éire. It doesn't matter if the sun is actually shining, but it feels like it is. Agus muhíonn sé bhfuil mé muid an sin tróna sé sarthain le chóird buint taithnamh an lá an green ag taithnamh bhfuil muid déanamh rud ag an spríúil out doing something fun on Saturday afternoon with friends. And yeah, great music, great music. And you know, few na leichen the show. Neil Sam Fender solist the show, Neil Jerry Cinnamon solist the show. Ach fós is asna tá an stíl sin agus an genre sin. Tá ceolíntaach madra leis an stíl agus an genre sin fós ag teacht amach still coming out sa lá tá Johan nowadays. Irritry, fi mé clairt an sin beagalín faoi Ceol House agus céicóh tábhaach agus atá house dumsa. Stocha be ceartdom labhairt beaganín faoi sin. I guess I should speak a little bit about that. Agus leis an house, an rud a haníon go mórlam leis an house. Ar nó ítá sé fear sais feel good agus jarfuck agus níl mór an riil really níl mór an ar Júltacha is tócha má tá tú géisteach le house. There's so many negative songs, normally upbeat and about enjoying yourself. Like this cuma Kehu Hain, it doesn't matter who you are, it's cuma Kasu, it doesn't matter where you're from, no Ken says posta target no argid on the root of house and the kind of meaning of house originally was always we're all the same. We're all the same when we're listening to this music and people dancing together, listening to it together, celebrating together, ag daus le céile, calora le céile, ag éisteach clus le céile. Agus sin stoch an bunsmoinmh a bhí ag daoine nar thosaí ceol house I ré na hugtaí when house music started in the 80s. That was the kind of base idea, and house music has a really interesting history from Chicago and the England rave scene and Ibiza agus áitina difriúla agus bhí sé tábhachtach freisin much of the rudaí níos mó sa sucky bigger things in society, English society. People say hooliganism massively went down as partly as a result of things like house music and rave culture coming into England. Marielle ar ceol house agus culture na rave ag teachtas teach go sasna gréin sin scéal le haid lá éigen eile. That's a story for another day. Ach an rud a haithníonn go mórlam maidir le ceol house sin, it's bigger than the sum of its parts. Má tá tú géisteach le dubstep agus techno agus níl mé ag tuairteach faoi dubstep agus techno. I'm not giving out about those. Ach dumsa, okay, tá an foiinmh sna tharán sin agus na genres sin. Ach tá an foiinmh ann marial gohfuil an element sound agus gohfuil an turn agus fume out. Because there's a lot of noise and sound and elements added into it, there's of course a lot of energy. Ach le house redink so le music sounds better with you, le Stardust, no Lola's theme, le the Shapeshifters, You Don't Know Me, le Armin van Helden. An rudíon tuk leis na tharán sin, níl áwnach buganín piano, kick drum, bass drum, agus clap an sin, boom, clap, arishas, arish, beidir buganín strings, freshen, vocal beag. Níl mór an áwan, agus just piece of jagakrad, ach le céile tá foiinmh dochredsa ag na tharán sin. Together, they have an unbelievable energy. Agus dumsa, an sé deachar le rá an ceann is fearlam, ach ceapam. Is nóid so an tharán is fearlam, an tharán house is fearlam. Níl se le fáil ar Spotify, mar remix le atá ann an bun ar an sin Rushing by Bump. So that's the original song. Ach seo an Valentine and Morena club mix. Jeff nóid, so tá sé anna ada ní mai hun ach artar truck a second ze chur ar siúl. Ach dumsa dá make Alien tachtan sa. If an alien was to come here, agus rá caiitú piece of ceol, caiitú piece de ceol dausa, some dance music or house music a has sponged them. Seo the quintessential and the best house song I have ever heard. Agus an fuinmh tíbhas siide dochredsa, níl éon focail am in éon tanga chun chuirsís a dhéanamh air. Seo Rushing le Bump, the Valentine and Morena Club Mix 1995. So ma hat níon ceol cosúla sin leat if you like music like that. An tharán sin maran sé ar fred dead moment on lagan ar YouTube, but that song lasts for 10 minutes, or the YouTube version at least. So it's feidir that dul an sin níl sé ar Spotify ar an Druckor, it's not on Spotify. Some of the best songs I've ever heard aren't available on Spotify. Cuidswar or Cuidswa ar aonos sin na tharán is fearr tá clúisteach me mahéal níl siad le fáil ar Spotify's bootlegs agus remixes difriúla go hintach. Arnoi Louis May on Spawn on Shin. I mentioned Spain there, and it's been such a massive part of my life, especially over the last 5 years. Chuid's war, tam hele gohorithe le cuaig bliana anius sugs misha. In Machoni on Shin, there's nil in plan agam hon fágáil glua arenos. I have no plans to leave soon. Tam I keep to beidir tree no Carablina, beidir gomai me chuidama sa Spawn heart. Maybe in 3 or 4 years my time in Spain might be done, but not for the meantime. I don't have any plans to come back to Ireland for the meantime anyway. Níl in plan agam an teachtar an seo. Anis arénos a chuéis beidir ag gan cúpla blin. Ach bhí an gandáis cean amháin fiocu sa Spáis mar tá lán fána agus lán cúisna a bhfuil mé i choní sa Spáin agus is even lam a Spáin, is even lam sa bhil. Ach, is stocha cean sin rudí is mó sin an passion atá agam don cheanga. That's one of the biggest things is the kind of passion I have for language, how much I enjoy speaking the language. I'm eich tanhnamh a bhfuinam as a bheith lauert Spanish. Agus I gcónaí géirí fiása chur my chuid Spanish, always looking to improve my Spanish. And I love listening to music and feeling kind of like I'm integrated there as well. Muhíonn sé sin go hiantach, nar tá mé an áite gana Jack Torvina, no, in Milan, there's been hour in Spania, Carshul, there's a Spanish song on, and at a bar or restaurant or something, knowing the lyrics and feeling like, again, I live here and I live here full time, for me, Machoni and so, Galan, I'm sure, Gustan Changam, and Gusmershinja, and have the language, and such a beautiful language, so fun to speak. Tanga Kovalin, Agus Kov Spriu, honey, Alawart Kov Ma, so, and Taran at top Piokamsa, Shin Bandido, le Azúcar y Moreno. Agus tháinig an taran seo amach in 1990 in 1998 on Eurofish for the Eurovision. Nervous they didn't win, but still today it holds up as a brilliant song in my opinion. Dar lumsa fós sa látá Johan is Aaron Intake seo Bandido le Azúcar y Moreno. So ag lean rá ag smaoinú an sin bíonainn faoin Spáin, continuing on there, thinking a bit about Spain. Stocha domsa an Spáin sin cean sanna tíortha is tábhataí I mahéal ach fós tá fear hábhatach I mahéal agus antanga ag labhairt agus ag múna na Gaeilge gach lá speaking and teaching Irish every day agus is even an teacht ras an seo love coming back here agus few mads in the vacants amach an bá an so I go na Gaillimhe agus an airge agus an dá an airge like tá si cosú le dáin, it's like a poem, just like siúil timpeall háte an á lá a bheith agat an so a normal day or having a normal day here, it's really special. And you appreciate it more when you don't live here and you get to come back. Bíonn tú níos buíoch as beidir nuair nach bhfuil tú I do chonaí an seo agus tagan tú arás. Agus ar an bháin a dhéanam nasc iontach idir an Spáin agus éire sin Viva la Quinta Brigada le Christy Moore. So beidir nach mai an taran seo arolalas ag gach duine agus tá scéal iontach agus star iontach buinte leis an aran seo. So there's a brilliant kind of story and history connected to this song, and that's that agus níl hon an scéal omláin a bhíonú chugat. I'm not going to explain it to you the full story. Marianne nach bhfuil sé really Kate von Gade ar all songsa because I don't know it 100%. Ach bhí coga sa Spáin, cogar cathartha, so Civil War, it's there ní ag structure sé agus ní ag truchaní ceapam, no beidir truchatrí agus structure sé irid na truchatí ar aonos during the 30s anyway. And it was a weird one anyway, bhí sé piagní náisteach mar thuí éan ag an sin, cúplacéad éan nach chun sin, chun trid ach thuí siad go dtí an dá taobh de fruits. They went to the two different sides. So some people went to support Franco, and Neartini thuí siad an sin no chun trid le Franco, Neartini eile thuí siad an sin hundreds in I Franco agus bhí sé sin buinte leis an Anglish that was an Shapel that was kind of connected to the church and Catholicism and anti-communism on one side. Rudí cosú leis sin, ní rá mór an simachú. Actually, Franco that weren't that interested in Franco itself, but it was seen as a fight for a bigger thing, fascism versus maybe the church versus communism and so on. Agus sé cean sin na tain ornta sa star is one of the only times in history that the Irish fought against the Irish. Trids na Héarnig in I ar na Gaelin. Now, ní Irish beidir ceapan céad Éarnach ar thaobh amháin agus an sin tríchéad ar thaobh eile ar is ní me céad fan géad cínte faoin na Hifrica. Not 100% sure about the numbers, so tá bronarm mono bhfuil siad agam céad fan géad mar sceart. Ach sin go bunasach an scéal agus laríonn an scéal sa na laríonn an taran sa faoi Chad a Harla agus na Heranig ag dul an sin na hamnacha difriúla de na daoine a for boss, the different names, the people who died, cin fáil around na Heranig ag dul an sin, na sais chonílacha stócha, the kind of conditions a bhí siad in around siad ag tread in which they're fighting. Dulchreite is even Christy Moore agus mar na chumacóní sa Spáin i gcónaí ba an taran seo speisialta dom agus i gcónaí Christy Moore tá sé speisialta dom freisin mar ceol fíor na chutá ann nuair tá tú ag éisteacht le Christy Moore. So seo, viva la Quinta Brigada, long live the 15th International Brigade le Christy Moore.
No pass around the pledge that made him fight. Adelante is a crier on the hillside. Let us remember that. And the Irishman heard the call of Franco, joined Hitler and Mussolini too. The propaganda from the pulpit and newspaper had done Duffy to gather up his crew.
Now, ein duna a bhí in géiste gach seachtain, tá agah gad atá fós le teacht, you know what's still about to come. Shot on piece of Oasis, Navi Borha. Don't worry, there's only one Oasis song, ni like ar an one le Oasis. Ach tá Oasis có tábhat go mail. Is even the Oasis bhrálam dul an Sarah seo. Má tá an seansag ni me cínte fós an mai. I'm not fully sure if I'll have the chance to go. Yes, but we'll see if anybody has tickets, if anybody would love to help me out, be in contact. Má tá ticketí ag aon duine, má tá aon duine ag éirí Carolumsa, le a hell be a dagolumsa, gur mí na magi. But I don't think that's too likely to happen. Ní ceapan go more an chance go dar loi sé sin. Ach, yeah, le definitely na nús tá Oasis có tábhach agus cuma cináit bhfuil mé Kinsai's Road bhfuil mé ag déanú, má tá mé ag mothú go má tá mé ag mothú go donna, if I'm feeling good, if I'm feeling bad, i gcónaí by Oasis an sin agus i gcónaí by mé ag éisteacht le Oasis nó beidir ceol solo ó Liam Gallagher nó Lowell Gallagher agus ar nó i blian fear exciting, really, fear spraggle Marial Gwil on reunion ag tarlú im léana cinnte gnéin hi mé agran omlan ar Oasis níos Janie Savlin. I'll definitely do a full episode on Oasis later in the year because it is the year of all years to be an Oasis fans seo blin duchred agus blin dinsco hon bheith I the fans Oasis. Bhí sé deachar an ceanháin a fiocho amach is even them listen up, is even them go let it out, is even them gas panic, is even them live forever, is even them Wonderwall, is even jump back in anger and the keen fear chalula, Allah keen zifrula, a few keen casilla shaker maker. Thought she'd get hint to cap them, even ones like Shaker Maker are still brilliant, I think, and hold up over the years. Talk Tonight, na cín níos laid back is tócha agus níos mothúchánaí more emotional. Ach an ceanna tá peocha amsa sin Slide Away. Is even them Slide Away ceapam beidir as gach aran a chur Oasis amach seo an ceann arís a léiríonn cad a bhí gceist le Oasis that really shows what Oasis was. This Morning Glory, I think, we should jacker it's your Morning Glory agus Slide Away ceanháin a fiocu. Ach tá an ceann seo Fulhamha ar an guitar le blian the news sanis. I've learned it over the last year on guitar. Agus capam nil song on my dini or coin shin le seo. I know people will agree with this or have a similar experience beidir tahi. Cosúla seo agah ach domsa nuair olmíon rud ag an guitar. Being appreciation or rud ag an níos mó agam kick of ma agus atá an tower, and I kind of appreciate better the song itself and hear it in a different way. Bí mé an éisteach leis I meallach beagadín zifriúil. So seo Slide Away le Oasis bio ó Nebert níag nócha sé live from Nebert 1996. Okay, sé chean taonnta agus dá chean fós le dul. Agus is even am nar hagam ar aran tásáis genreless mar déirtar I méile well, ní déirtar sin I méile ar churbh is focail nua é sin, genreless, ach nuair chluiseann tú árán agus tá sé deacair chun genre a chur air, when it's difficult to push a genre agus tá like, ní rock é, okay, go am céanna ní pop atá gceis, ní house atá gceis, ní indie atá gceis, ní techno, tá sé an deacair chun genre a chur agus an tarann seo Inner Smile le Texas. Cinnte go bhfuil sé cloiste ag bíonn nach gach duine ag éisteacht. I'm almost sure that almost everybody listening will have heard it at some point. You might not recognize it until you hear it. Beidir nach maith tú an é aithnú go dtí nar chloiseann tú ag gan cúpla nóid in a few minutes time. Ach arís tá sé fear jacker hun smuoinú ar aon árán cosú le seo. You know, aon árán a chuilteí a héal. Dír cosú le seo, ní fiú dír cosú le seo, ach just sách cosú le seo nó sa genre céine, mar níl sam cén genre atá seo. I don't know what type of genre you could possibly put on this song, but again, just one that comes up again and again in my life, and I can't think of any other one on this list that makes me feel as good. Ní féidir some swing away in ceann eile ar an lista seo. A churn mise ar my hoofness agus a hugan a méid sin sunnas dumsa that gives me so much happiness and puts me at ease so much as Inner Smile le Texas. Eros in áir a géisteach siar leis an sin ar level difriúil tríide straight in áir rinne mé Dermot Brenny ra mé géisteach leis ag seo an rud le thar an sifriúil is tócha with different songs orintanta déanaan tú Dermot ar méid grá atá agat ar an amháin. You forget how much love you have on one song if you haven't listened to it for a while. Muna will say clusta ad le tamil anús. So, an cean tearnach ar nó I bhí ar an cean amháin a fiochu trí bheán na Gaeilge to pick one through the medium of Irish. Bhí méid smaoine faoi cean leis na Fiarain, mar sin na bun leganach. I was thinking of one by na Fiarain. That's my favourite probably Irish language band or group or artist, because those are the original versions that is Irish, but actually tá clúdach peochan, so I picked a cover. So ar an na hádagach ar dús I méile agus an sin rinne an bannacheol céine legan as Gaeilge. Agus sin na Coronas, arís bhí méid leabhart faoi ceol sasnach agus an méid grátága mar indie rock ó hasna ag má tom sé leabhart faoi indie nó rock éireannach. Coronas are standalone for me the best. Ach Fontaines DC in ish freshen agus tóca sin sais punk agus psycho punk nó na sam cin tanamatá tá animegan sin ar an sais genre a bhínig Fontaines DC. Ach gandát an bannacheol éireannach is fearlam sin na Coronas agus chuirsí amach an tarann seo I méile listen dear hart ar 2006, 2007 agus cosúla neart thar an eile atá déan tacup, like a lot of other songs that they've done. They put out an Irish version of it, or an Irish cover of it as well. Tá clúdach Gaeilge déan acup an ar an sin, so seo éist a churá le the Coronas. So, sin é máidir leis na Harán ach fós tá rud nó go eile le déanamháin. So, jig an á ar Deserantis bíon an seans agat leabhar amháin a thuirt leat. Normally in Deserantis you can bring one book with you, being an Biblia agat agus being the entire works of Shakespeare agat ach seachas an dá cheann sin is féidir leat ceann amháin eile of Yuku. Apart from those two, you can bring one other. Atá an ceann atá ránithe agam an seo the one I've chosen. Soch simply, maar just shot an leabhar ó méid léamh dear canis. This is the book that I'm reading at the moment. Sin The Chimp Paradox le Steve Peters ach ní méid piochúach an leabhar seo just marall nach bhfuil sé chréichnú agam agus tá mé géirí é chréichnú agus ar nóí ba neart ámá le plenty of time ar an Ilan Tréig an de Desert Islands hon é chréichnú ach in áir nílach beidir an chéad tríú den leabhar late agam. I've only read maybe the first third of the book agus dochreidse Tá sam goil an focail sin úsáidte cúpla óir inis an podcast. The show, I know I've used this song or that word a few times now on this podcast, but really good. Gobonasuk is Dr. A. Steve Peters, agus Tanyart Ibre Jane Egel, Stephen Gerrard, Ronnie O'Sullivan, Victoria Pendleton, Chris Hoy, Alan Dini Jifrula o Hale on Sport, Ach Dini Ella, Freshen, Stephen Winch on Sport, Ach Nis Mona in Radella, Ta Cluags Caller, he's well known, Marial an Oper, Ta Jane Egel Lesh, na Railly Sport Shin. So he's well known for the good work he's done with those kind of sports stars. Agus an leabhar seo the Chimp Paradox Reach is féidir le dul Google agus buganín taide a dhéanamh seo. You can go and do a bit of research yourself if you want to find out more about it. I would highly recommend it. Wolhin go mór cin fá mar just by tú ag smaoinmh I mbealach go hiomlán ar friúil agus ní sam an self-help book ní self-help really atá gceist ach tugann sé is dócha buganín cabhair hon the inching hain a hiskin sníosfar. It gives you a help or a hand to understand your own brain better and how it works. Agus an chuí I brain say agus arish níl fiú an chéad le creicní agam fós. I haven't even finished the first half of it yet. Agus an méid tarva ó bhfuil méid buinteas do chreidte agus tá méid smaoinmh faoi mincín agus just an saoil timpplairm I mbealach go hiomlán friúil agus I mbealach go hiomlán níos jarfy, freshen in a completely different way and also just a more positive way in general. So the Chimp Paradox le Steve Peters Wolhin Gomorre agus cosú le a chud smó den le leabhar sa látá Johan Nichasnín sé cartar €2 Amazon agus gandás is few an chéad cabagel is few than agad sin. Even the first chapter is worth it for that money. An sin maidir leis an luxury item rééis beidir sach simply maar bhí mé ag labhairt faoi ceol le níos mó ná leabhar anuas. So speaking about music for more than the last half an hour now. But tá mé hon guitar a thó alum mar arís ba méid sin ama agam le clachtú of demonstration practice nuair thugam ras má tá an chance agam teachtar ras I get the chance to come back má tá mé an éilú as an Ilan an sin ba mé hintach ag an guitar agus just hobby a bheith agam gan an scáil an mar níl scáil any tastal I don't need screens or more screens in my life, especially if I'm out in a desert island. You'll only be messing up the dopamine. So tá mé lánsáas the just guitar agus beidir chord book má tá mé an chord book ó thuirtslum if I can bring a chord book as well mar níl sam cévid it's in the Haran sin of I arolalas agam to glan fiar. Don't know how many of those songs that I've been learning will I know off by heart. So guitar ó thuirtslum go Ilan Tréig beidir ó mu in sin go ina siar nó inis mór. Maybe out there to finish more in a shear. It'll be a bit easier. I'll be able to go to the shop, get some biscuits or something. Yeah, Sinead, Harinos, don tachtan seo. Gus tar sul agam gurvan sib tatnif as an agran seo. Inis dom calachiacan sib, fwy gachar datá rawnitha agam an so. Agus tá sum gur gomunin sib tatnif as na episódi cosúla seo. Nuair bhíonn sé beaganín tíar friúil agus format beaganín tíar friúil. Sinead, don tachtan seo, guys, míle buchas as a bheith ag éisteacht le Gaeilge Weekly. Big thank you for listening to Gaeilge Weekly Maragoni. As always, agus baim dearás an tachtan seogan le agran iver nócha chathair marsclach. Míle buchas slán agus ballacht.
Why must I turn around?